For advertisement, call 8125893028. Our Gmail maxtvtelugu@gmail.com.
Firstly, thanks to all the elders, especially Ravi Kishore sir, who has given me this opportunity to talk in front of you all. I am Deepti Dharani Pragada. Most of you may not know me, but you know my father, Sri Dharani Pragada Prakash Rao Garu. He is an expert in Mudra specialist. We call him Mudra Prakash also. He is there. So actually I came up with a presentation and all, but unfortunately we don't have any presentation to share. So I'll just talk about mudras. How many of you know about mudras? Please raise your hand. Yoga mudras? Okay. Half of you have heard about yoga mudras. How many of you have seen the results of mudras? Very few. Okay. So I will tell you about myself a little bit. I was working in software for 20 years and I resigned as Associate Vice President just because I have seen the results of yoga and mudras. I wanted to pick up the health of my family and my surroundings. That is the reason I left my job and I joined my father in doing this service. So that is the power of mudras. To give you few examples of mudras, especially Gautam Garu is one of my teacher and Rambabu Garu is also one of my teacher along with my father. So I have been learning from many of the people here. They are all my gurus. So I have learned pregnancy yoga from Gautam sir and I started taking the trainings, teaching the students. So I have taken one case who came with gestational diabetes. She was 3 months pregnancy and she is diagnosed with gestational diabetes and she had fluctuating BP. Doctors said it's very difficult to go with normal delivery and she was on insulin. But after she came to me, by God's grace, I made her practice yoga, mudras, pranayama, everything that I learned about pregnancy. So finally she delivered normally without gestational diabetes. She was not even on tablet by then. She said, "Madam, I was on labor for 8 hours and Apana Mudra finally helped me for normal delivery." She has messaged me the baby's photo also. In fact, I have it in my presentation, but I can't show it now. So that is one simple example of how powerful the mudras are. Even if the first delivery was cesarean, we can make it normal with the help of yoga, pranayamas and mudras. I'll take another example. My own son, he is 15 years now. Almost till 10 years, he was suffering with cold. Like suddenly he will have running nose, allergy, and we know how to reduce it after it comes. But I never knew how to stop it, how to prevent it. I was trying all the techniques. I went to homeopathy, allopathy, Ayurvedic, everything. And we have been doing Jalaneti also. But pranayama helped him now. Since so many years, he is not even sneezing, no running nose, my own son. So I am seeing these results with mudras, pranayama and yoga. As Gautam sir said, it's a combination of food, yoga, pranayama, meditation, lot of things. Each people may have different constituency in their body. According to their constituency, we can identify which asana or pranayama will help them or which mudra will help them. If they don't have time to do 1 hour exercise every day with yoga, people are very lazy to do yoga. We just tell them, you do just this for 5 minutes, this for 5 minutes. That will also give results. That is what I am researching on. And thanks to all the elders, especially my father, he is my guru in mudras.